Around there, you're going to stop around there, okay? Boss, I'm telling you to stop there. And you've just
Stop. But
where I was going to. What is wrong with you? From the start, you've been so confused. I don't know what you are doing.
Now you speak.
Okay.
You speak.
Okay, let me give you your money and you go. Kalas. What is your problem, sir?
Ma'am, lukumi.
No, what is wrong with this? Is it 1,000?
Yeah.
Isn't this 1,000?
Ma'am, twakiriziganyiza.
Okay. Okay, fine. Now the only money I'm remaining with, I have dirham. I have 10 dirham.
Atonzibira mu luzungu. Omuntu nakunyonyodde kati atotandise kwechanga changa.
No, this is dirham, 10 dirham. Okay, you get your 1,000.
Ate kati tetwakanyiza.
Like, me, I don't understand in Uganda, please. And another thing, when I was boarding your Boda, you told me you needed me to pay 1,000. Then what is it?
Hey, pay 1,000.
Okay,
pay 1,000.
Now what is this one?
Asia. Atikati olowooza sitegera oyagala kunziba bubbi oyagala kunziba bubbi.
What is wrong with this Boda
guy? Nyabo ebyo bye mutu mwagala okwebuzabuza.
This is the money you told me because I was boarding and I asked for the price. You told me you need 1,000. What is this?
Tolo di 1,000 atekati ompa lukumi olowooza sitegera.
Can you please simplify, use a little bit of English because me, I don't understand in Uganda.
Tolo di 1,000 omutwalo.
This is 1,000 and I asked you before bordering.
Yeah, auntie tolo di
Boda
soko leko ayagala kunziba musajja soko jo nyambeko nyamba.
What is wrong with this guy? I'm telling him keep quiet because you've been using Uganda's route.
How are you, madam?
I'm okay, sir. How are you?
Yes.
I called him and I told him how much do I need to pay to reach the other side.
Kabalagala. Chokana netoloza bwati na netoloza.
Then he told me 1,000.
Yes.
And this is the money.
Yes.
I understand Ugandan money. Is it this 1,000?
Yeah, tolo di 1,000. 1,000.
This confused people, I don't know.
Mutwalo.
Mama. It's not the one.
What?
It's not the one.
Yeah. Okay, what does he want?
Give his 100.
100? Kalas, I cannot.
Yes, that's the money.
I cannot give him 100.
You wait.
You man, you need to be also serious. You also need to be serious.
Mutwalo,
okay,
1,000.
Okay. Don't overshout people. You are going to shame me from here.
Give this one.
Okay, fine.
This is money.
Because when I
this
was
money.
like, I told him when I was going to offer him a chance. I asked him how much he needed. He told me 1,000.
Yes.
And you're telling me 100.
You add on. It is add on. It is 100. Yes.
I cannot give him 100.
100.
Come on, Namwe.
Mama, I want money.
Don't waste my time. Give me my bag. Give me my bag.